Hey guys and gals, Gearheadgirl here with one of my favorite little items. It's like the best cheap item ever if you get a decent one. It's a CrampBuster. It's supposed to go on the edge here, and so you can just literally rest your palm or your finger, and for long trips it's pretty much invaluable. So this one was a cheap Chinese knockoff. Tried to install it and it promptly broke into multiple pieces. So I contacted the company and they have sent a replacement that hopefully will not do the same thing. I think the coil was too long and too small for the bar. So this next one, we're going to heat it up and try to apply it to our bar end, and hopefully we'll have some more success. So here is our new unbroken one. And you can see it's very coiled. It really shouldn't be that coiled, and it's rather small diameter. But we're gonna heat it up with our lovely heat gun and get it nice and warm and pliable, and try to carefully install it over the bar end. Look at that! Custom. Alright, so it went on, and that's kind of the gist of it. So we'll get that on there and let it cool off, and then we'll have our nice new bar end. So if you have the option, I would probably go with the name brand product, but if not, you can make the cheap Chinese crap kind of work, and we'll see how long that lasts. Thanks for watching.
Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at Gearheadgirl69.